Ebusafo, welcome to another update. I think this is my update about the 8th one on what has been happening in Ghana. By now, if you have not heard, oh, Erade, and there was only on my name, and I say, news cry. We have lost 8 gallant sons of this land. Now, recent updates are say 3 military men are part of After Omane Helicopter no nyina no. Omo miensa nyina omo free Takoradi Air Force Base. Omo miensa nyina free Takoradi Air Force Base. Na nipa baku a owom a ye friend sergeant or sergeant Addo or ye young man according to reports that we are just getting, no, he just got married less than a month ago. Owari one of the guys in the helicopter, sergeant no, were worry yani and oko online sisiana the wedding pictures at trendy pa mobo everybody fan a cry see now please be on to his soul. Now updates Eban say Sam Jatta George wabe type in first tribute X and in the main X account no the type we will see. Where do I start and to whom do I turn? Everyone else is distraught and in despair. How does such tragedy befall a man so calm and warm? How do you leave me in the squad like this? The tears flow even when I try to compose myself. Composure is a distant reality for me as the pain I feel cannot be expressed fully. Kofi, why? How? This is not what we agreed. You always ask me who would take care of your mom if anything were to ever happen to you. Now, some for mom say, "Ye papa, Omane Boamah Kofi, our Minister of Defense no, or a single parent, ni single parent, ni mami nkwa na share so, ni mami nkwa, or you from a very poor background, and ni mami di onfa ni mami ndi agro, Omane Boamah onfa ni mami ndi agro, na ni mami so ti asepa, onfa ni ndi agro, sanse bre no before becoming a medical doctor. That's what Sam George is talking about. Oh, a mobile. You always ask me who would take care of your mom if anything were to happen to you. What did you know that you hid from me, Rita, and the kids who can be there for them like you? Oh, why? No one has been of greater help and support in my political career. I call you boss and you call me bro. You didn't just care about my politics. You cared and loved my family. You chose the school for my kids and even asked me every time about their performance. You were not a colleague. You were the elder brother I didn't have. You would call me and admonish me when you saw a social media post of mine. Who will guide me now? You have been my compass and guiding light this past 7 months since I was appointed minister, preparing me for cabinet and showing me the ropes. Oh, who do I turn to now? My faith is shaken. My belief is gone. We are told to give thanks in all things. How can I give thanks in this? How do I say it is well? It is certainly not well. I have questions to ask God. Very serious questions. How does this happen? Kofi Omane Boamah, wake up and tell me to activate all body cameras. Call me and say, Jatta, you have done your thing again. Just pick your call, boss, please. I am shivering reading this. Sam George no be a pen asem. But just reading this rather. Our former president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, Addo D, Addo Showboy, Addo Guy, has spoken. Or see, the entire nation is profoundly shocked and saddened by the tragic news of the military helicopter crash that has led to the deaths of Honorable Dr. Addo Omane Boamah, Minister for Defense, Honorable Dr. Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, Member of Parliament for Tamale Central, and Minister of Environment and Science, Alhaji, the name is there, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, Dr. Samuel Sapon, and all the blah 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 blah. Or see, blah blah blah. As announced by the Chief of Staff, then he goes ahead to say, I have spoken, extended my deepest condolences to the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and to Mr. Johnson Asiedu Nketia, Chairman of the NDC. I condole with our gallant men of the Ghana Armed Forces, Air Force, at this concerning time, and salute their indispensable role in the public life of our country, and extend further my condolences to the bereaved families. May they find rest in the bosom of the Almighty until the last day of resurrection, when we all shall meet again. This is from the statesman, the former president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Kwame A+ also has come out with a short tribute. Dr. Addo Omane Boamah, Ibrahim Murtala Mohammed, Alhaji Muniru Mohammed, Dr. Samuel Sapon, Samuel Abuaje, Peter Bafemi Anala, Menim Chum Ampedu, Sergeant Ernest Addo Mensah, may their souls rest in perfect peace. This is just too much. This is what is coming from the camp of Kwame A+, also as a way of paying a tribute to the gallant men of this nation that have gone to be with the Lord. This is the latest. Earlier on, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia also announced he had called His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to condole with him, and also all of us. The New Patriotic Party also has come out with a release to mourn the loss of these sons of the land. All over, we are receiving a lot of reportage. A lot of people are trooping in. Militaries all over the world are condoling with their counterparts. Politicians all over the world are condoling with their counterparts. This is a state of national mourning. And a lot of people are asking, where is the president? We are told the president is not in a good shape at all. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not in a good shape. He is shaken, he is sad, he is distraught. He cannot believe what is going on. And is understandable, perfectly understandable. See you in the next one.